What's up, everybody? Welcome to MINET Cribs, home to the most reliable and fast internet. We're gonna show you our local office here. Get ready for a tour. There's a lot going on at MINET here. You're gonna meet some of our customer service reps, and also if you ever have an after hours payment, you're welcome to leave a payment in our after hours drop box as well. All right, let's step inside and meet the crew. Here at MINET, you can talk to real people who actually live in the local area. We're gonna be able to help you with all your customer support needs and answer your questions here in office. I'm gonna take you someplace that customers are usually not allowed to go. Back here, we have a couple different offices, our break area, coffee, and even a kitchen where we can make some gourmet food throughout the day. I'm gonna take you to the NOC, the Network Operations Center. This is where all the magic happens. This is where our Network Operations Director works, right in there. And then we have all of your internet. In here, our Network Operations Director and his assistant are going through and monitoring all of your services constantly, so you get the best service around and the most reliable service. You drop a movie, they catch it before it buffers. And right here, we have connections to every single home with direct fiber optic line. There's a lot of people working behind the scenes to make MINET run so much smoother for you guys. We're gonna go meet some of them. Everyone say hey to our finance department. Over here in the tech trailer, we have our amazing tech team. You're gonna meet them at your next install. Rain or shine, we're on our way to go help you out to avoid downtime. This is our GM's office, warehouse, and the conference room all in one. We have our monthly team meetings here as well, so we can all catch up on what's going on, revenue area, and how well we're doing for you guys. In the time that it takes me to turn around in this chair, you could have already downloaded like 3 movies. Now that you've seen our crib, I'm gonna hop in with one of the techs and go see yours.